Toasted Blonde, welcome to my channel. Today we're opening my Ipsy bag. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. All right, it's Ipsy bag time, June Ipsy bag. And I'm coming to you, open it up. All right, I'm Melanie Mills. I'm over 40. I do makeup reviews and ridiculous videos. I try to put out 2 times a week. Subscribe to my channel, please. And let's get to the Ipsy bag. All right, here it is. I've got my bag. Here we go. I've been holding on to it. And I opened it up and I started to peek and then I stopped. But I did see, holy cow, what a beautiful bag. Like, I love the texture. I love the colors. It is so spring-like. I believe my toenail polish is exactly this color. And this is going in my beach bag for sure. It's absolutely perfect for a beach bag because, like, you know, I can wipe the sand right off of it. All right, here, let's see what's inside. I get so excited about Ipsy bag. First thing is, I'm guessing it is, let's guess. First thing for me is always a lotion. Is it a lotion? It's a lotion. Ooh, body butter cream, delectable. Let's check it out. Oh, it smells like the beach. It's like, almost like Malibu. I have the terrible sense of smell. It could be grape for all I know. All I know is I love it. Delectable. Body butter cream. All right, definite keeper. And like, it matches my beach bag. And oh man. I was supposed to go to the beach this weekend, but I'm not. And now I'm sad. And maybe I'll just rub this in and make it feel like I'm at the beach. All right, number 1. Nice. I always enjoy getting a lotion every month. Let's see. Oh, next is a piece of paper. Ah, flying colors. Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. Peeking in. All right. What's this, a lip scrub? What do we got here? We're gonna have to put our glasses on for this. Macaroon lip buff. Lip silk. God, that's so smooth. All right, let's see what's next. What's next? 2 more things in my Ipsy bag. 3 more things. 3 more things. A brush. Oh, a Luxie. A Luxie brush. That's really nice. Right, it's a tiny brush. But it's soft and oh, that's good. Good. 2 things left. 2 things left. And the next is, I bet you it's eyeliner. I haven't looked. It feels like an eyeliner. All right, let's see what we're dealing with. I'm never gonna get this open. Hold on. It is a Beauty For Real eyeliner. Beauty For Real eyeliner. I got it open. Like the first. All right, Beauty For Real eyeliner. We're gonna test it out. Let's see. Let's open it up and see what we're dealing with. Looks like a full-size one. All right, slowly but surely. It looks brown. Cool. All right, I do like brown lip liners. Eyeliners. It's really soft and really pretty. See? I like want to put that on right now. My phone is ringing. I'll be right back. Hey.
Are we at beach tonight? Is that our plan?
That was the plan.
Okay. Do you have pepperoni?
I'm back! Okay, so I had a little phone call because we didn't have any pepperoni in the house. Okay, but now that will be corrected and we can open the rest of our Ipsy bag. All right, so we did the eyeliner and I felt like there was something else in here. That was the eyeliner. All right, and then the last thing was an eyeshadow. Okay, City Chic, City Colors, City Chic eyeshadow. Here we go. It's like a champagne color. It's called Skinny Latte. All right, it actually feels really smooth and nice. All right. I was kind of like if you could tell my face, I don't have a poker face. I was like, ugh, city colors, but that feels nice. And that is like shimmery niceness. I like it.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you now. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you, but
If you have sensitive eyes like me, you are currently terrified that tomorrow you're going to wake up with a giant sty, because that's what happens to me. I have one right up there from forgetting to wipe off. What did I put? I had put some. You know, I don't remember what I put. I forgot to wipe something off at night. I had tested a product and forgot to wash it. All right, anyway, that's my Ipsy bag. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. I put out two videos a week. One is usually Limelight by Alcone products because I have a slight obsession, and one is usually fun and, I don't know, DIY, hair stuff, rosacea stuff, some weird crazy tag that's going around, something. So, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills. Bye.